Hi everyone, welcome to my presentation on business strategy software options. I'm Angela. I'm doing this for part of my class, Strategic Planning, Broadview University. I looked at 3 business strategy applications. One was StratPad, business planning software and tools. Rocket Fuel for Business is their slogan. That's their logo. The second one I looked at was Strategy Blocks, visually stunning business strategy software. And the third is SmartDraw, create floor plans, flow charts, and other diagrams. So StratPad, the business planning software and tools with Rocket Fuel for Business. They allow you to build a business plan, do financial projections. They have cloud computing options. You can apply for funding through the application. They provide you with regular updates for free. They have instructional videos that can show you how to make certain graphs and diagrams. You can run this software on a Mac or a PC. It also has an app for your Apple, so it's got iOS application. You can get access to business coaches and accountants, bookkeepers through their software, so they'll help you do anything through the app that you may not know how to do, like with your business plan. That's what the business coach is for. And then if you're having trouble tracking your finances, you can talk with an accountant or a bookkeeper. They have the StratPad Cloud, where you can save your data. It's secure. You can collaborate with other people in different locations and they can see the same information. You can have access with the StratPad Connect. You can find, past the business coaches and bookkeepers, you can find experts and lenders. So if you needed funds, an expert in maybe your specific type of business. The third option, the Strategy Blocks with the visually stunning business strategy software. They have risk management options. You can show your workforce output. There's strategic planning and management. You can see the health of how your strategy is. There's cloud delivery. So again, you can send any of your output, like a diagram, to anyone, anywhere, through the cloud, and it's secure. You can make cascading value trees, monitor your key metrics. Everything is highly customizable. They go with the agile execution type. All the data is secure. It's updated in real time, which makes it accurate, dependable. There is like I said, the cloud delivery, and it's software as a service. You can have it right there at your company, or there's hybrid hosting. There's no concern about maintenance and software upgrades, technical admins, backup and recovery. That's all just taken care of for you. The third option that I found was SmartDraw. They allow you to make many different types of visual data with auto formatting. So you just plug in some of the data and they worry about where it goes on the page. You don't have to worry about those kinds of things. You can make marketing diagrams, SWOT diagrams, flow charts, storyboards, strategy matrices, growth share matrix, competitive analysis. This is a stakeholder satisfaction performance prism framework. You can do flow charts, and that one is example of one of our human resource ones we could use. Some of the specs on SmartDraw, they have it available for Windows, Mac, iOS, Android, so you can use it on basically any computer that's running Windows or a Mac. Any phone that has iOS or Android. You can have your outputs formatted in PNG or PDF. You can also directly insert anything that you create into any of the Microsoft Office applications. With the professional business version, they have full PowerPoint integration available, so you can make impressive PowerPoint presentations and include all of the diagrams output of any kind from SmartDraw right into your PowerPoint without all the extra steps that go from like saving a picture and then naming it, and then you've got to go pull it out of whatever file you hid it in and get it into PowerPoint. This way it just goes right there. The application comes in over 100 languages. There are 70 different diagram options with 34,000 symbols. Everything from maps and geography to landscape design, software design, cause and effect. If you can think of it, they probably have it. Some more specs about SmartDraw. You can make 5S audit diagrams. And like I said, they have very powerful automation. You just plug in the information and it makes the diagram for you. You can make floor plans with kind of like an AutoCAD feel to it. And again, it's all secure. You get free support, so any kind of question or trouble you have, they will answer it, no extra fees. They have their own special cloud, which goes back to the secure portion. You can put your information right in Dropbox or Google Drive. You can work with Visio as well, so you can utilize both of those. Excuse me, I have kind of a cold. They have over 45,000 quick start templates, and you can use many other programs like Google Suite. Excuse me. And out of those three, the one that I picked is SmartDraw. They had the best in their websites. I'm a big critic of how you design your website and your layout and the information that you give. And SmartDraw was the best. I mean, they laid everything out for you. There was diagrams you could edit yourself, just sample ones you could play around with without even downloading anything. It's just right on the web. It's available on almost every operating system. Like I said, iOS, Android, Mac, PC. Those are the main ones. Mobile application goes along with the iOS and Android. So many options. I mean, I couldn't even name them all. That's why I would say unlimited. And they have not only the symbols, but diagrams for all different kinds of businesses, from healthcare to a pet store to lawyers. I mean, anything you could think of. And that's perfect for our company because we're consultants. We're not just about like IT or healthcare. We're going to work with any company that needs the help. So to have different options for different categories of businesses makes it more usable. You don't have to buy 8 different things of software, one for each business type. It's got it all in here. And I really like the automated processes because not everyone is good at drawing diagrams. So it just doesn't come to some people. So the automated process would speed things up and make it easier for everyone. The end.